Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the audio quality on mobile data in YouTube Music to normal, low or high on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on YouTube Music. Next, tap on Library at the bottom, and then tap on the profile icon at the top. Next, tap on Settings, then tap on Data Saving. In here, tap on Audio Quality on mobile data. And from here, you can choose between low, normal, or high. So you can choose high or always hide. And that's it. So make a selection, and then tap on the back key to go back to your YouTube Music. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.